This is 25-26 Topps Chrome Hobby Parallel Break number 22 box break, guys. We're in a random team filler for the unsold spots labeled in red with prices, guys. This is a really good random right here. Good luck. Dice roll needs to be ace deuce or higher, guys. Ace deuce or higher. And we're going 7 frontline winners. 7-7. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Sing on the bottom, Plymouth in the number 1 spot. I've known Brody a very long time. I don't think anybody would ever dare boo him, my friend. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Pelicans on the bottom. The Clippers are up top. The Mavericks is a 1 spot. KJ's. Oh boy. Good luck, guys. SoCal, I have no clue what you're talking about, brother. Good luck. There's your guys' teams. Everybody screenshot if you need to. Spurs for the CA, man. Wow. Warriors for Milla. Lakers for J. Wow, lots of 1 spotting happening. Good luck, everybody. Thank you guys again for the fill. You guys got your spots. Good luck. Yeah, SoCal. SoCal, I feel like you've been a little negative this morning, SoCal. My God, I might have to relax over there, my friend. Not giving these away to anybody, but there's a chance I do. There is actually a chance I do. I just can't promise that, you know. Good luck. If it was my channel, it would. If this was my channel, and I could actually like just literally do whatever I want without any worry, no problem. But as much as this is my channel, the main channel still trumps this channel no matter what. So honestly, if you guys don't like that, I don't know what else to tell you. At least I'm being real with you guys and keeping it honest, you know. All right, good luck. I think I am going to add in another 2 boxers there. Yeah. She usually breaks there a couple times a week. Once to twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. I ain't going to lie. She's getting very good. I'm not just saying that because I'm her husband. But I'll always support her no matter what, when she's good or bad. But she's doing very well. She's really grown. I mean, Benedict will tell you. I mean, Benedict, give it to me straight. She really grew as a person. Like she would never ever in her life ever go in front of a camera. Like she was very shy. She doesn't really like to do that thing. And now to see where she's become, like she's grown a lot. I'm very proud of her. Just like the internal growth. Is she the best breaker in the world? No. I tell you that right now. I'm not the best breaker in the world. But I love to see how good she's got. You know, the improvement. Her product knowledge has gotten better. Sorry, she's never watched soccer, tennis, hockey. She's watched hockey, but doesn't religiously follow it. That's my wife sing. What shower video? I forget already. Yeah, at first, yeah. She picked it up a lot. She definitely did. She probably knows more about hockey, soccer, tennis than I do. If that's any, and she probably knows more Pokemon, One Piece, TCG. She probably knows more than me, which is a good thing. Good luck, everybody. She's honestly, she spent the most time with Blez, so of course you're gonna get some Blezisms. We call it the Blezisms. Good luck. Ooh, here we go. Good luck. Do I use men's shampoo or women's? I don't know. I use Dove. I would classify Dove as women's shampoo. Traore for the wave. I use all kinds. I use Head and Shoulders. I use all kinds. That looks red, but it's probably a base. Signature Styles. Of course, it's like a guaranteed one per case. It's Alonzo Mourning. Goes to the base autograph spot for Miami on the random team. Horse shampoo. Ace. Jeremiah Fears on the base. There's a flag base. For the Nuggets, it's Jamal Murray on the blue wave to 150. The blue wave. Also on the random Nuggets. Get the Jamal Murray. Guys, the hanger case is next. Hanger case. It's going to be next. Another wave. It's Donovan Mitchell. I had no clue that people honestly use that. The last question I had on that, Shelby, honestly, was Razor Ramon's hair gel. Some people said he used Pennzoil or Quaker State. We never could figure it out. We don't know if it's Pennzoil or Quaker State. Klay Thompson. Kelly Oubre on the Prism. Magenta of Jose Alvarado on the magenta spots. Puppy. All right. That first box, a little weak. I'll add in another one of these guys. We'll add in a few more. Let me finish this break. We'll add in number 21, guys. Box 2, good luck. Traore. Here's another wave of Klay Thompson. Powell rookie. For the Pistons. Lanier on the Pistons. For the base auto. Detroit gets that on the random. Okay, I can't go out like this. I'm adding in another one. Ace Anua on the yellow to 275. Another magenta. Cole Anthony. Funny, we didn't get a negative in the last one. Now that I'm looking at it. VJ Edgecombe base. The base spot did the best, probably. Sacramento Sabonis to 399 on a magenta. There's a Derek Queen. And an Aqua of Tatum for the Aqua spot to 199 and Vigo. Got that one. Not the best 2 boxes to start. Thank you guys for the try for getting in. Nothing monstrous on that one. Guys, I'll add in another one, yeah. I'll add in another one. I'm not going to go out like this. Not going to do it like this. It's weird because I was going to put in a $3 in the store. You guys remember I said that? We literally have only about 6, 7, 8 cases roughly of blasters, hangers, and that's it. That's all she wrote. So if you guys are thinking about getting in full cases of retail, guys, now is your opportunity. Sorry, guys, not the best one there. $2. Top Scroll Hobby Parallel 20. Thank you, guys. 21's going in the store right now, guys. 21's going in the store right now. Not the best boxes on